Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we shall be discussing the concept of Rule 86B, Restriction on Input Utilization, Exceptions to the rule. If the registered person under concern has received a refund of amount greater than 1 lakh rupees in the preceding financial year on account of export, under LUT, or due to inverted tax structure, where tax rate on input is higher than the tax rate on output, resulting into accumulation of ITC. Example: ABC Limited has received a refund of amount of 2 lakhs rupees in previous year on account of export, under LUT. In current year, it has made a sale of 1 crore rupees of goods, on which tax rate is 12%. It can discharge its liability up to 100% through ITC, and Rule 86B is not applicable because it has received an amount greater than 1 lakh rupees in the preceding financial year on account of export under LUT. If the registered person under concern is any of the following: government department, public sector undertaking, local authority, statutory authority. Example: Indian Oil Corporation Limited has made a sale of 1 crore rupees of goods on which tax rate is 12%. In this case, it can discharge its liability up to 100% through ITC, and Rule 86B is not applicable because IOCL is a public undertaking. If the persons mentioned below have paid more than 1 lakh rupees as income tax under Income Tax Act, 1961, in each of the last 2 financial years, for which the time limit to file return of income under subsection 1 of Section 139 of the said Act has expired, the registered person, proprietor, CARTA, or managing director of the registered person, any of the partners, or whole-time directors, or any other person, as the case may be, to avail relaxation. This condition is to be checked for last 2 financial year, for which time limit to file return under Section 139(1) of Income Tax Act has been expired. Time limit should have been expired on the date of filing return under GST. Payment of income tax includes self-assessed tax paid as per normal provisions, or as per MAT provisions, tax deducted or collected. Taxpayer is the person whose tax is deducted or collected. Advance tax excludes tax paid on account of dividend distribution tax, DDT, as per Section 115(0) of Income Tax Act. Interest or late fees paid. Condition: income tax payment in excess of 1 lakh rupees should have been done in last 2 financial years, for which the time limit to file return under Section 139(1) has been expired, either by the partnership firm itself, or by any of its 2 partners. Serial number. Example. Discussion. Applicability of 86B. 1. Example. When this condition is fulfilled by firm in last 2 financial years. Discussion. Since such condition is fulfilled by the said person itself. Applicability of Rule 86B. Not applicable. 2. Example. When this condition is fulfilled by partners in last 2 financial years. Assume 5 partners named as A, B, C, D, E. Discussion. If such condition is fulfilled by partners A and B for the last 2 years. Applicability of Rule 86B. Not applicable. If such condition is fulfilled by partner A and partner B in 1 year, and partner B and partner C next year. Applicability of Rule 86B. Not applicable. 3. Example. If partner A retires in a subsequent year. Discussion. It shall be deemed as the condition was fulfilled by one of its partners. Applicability of Rule 86B. Not applicable. 4. Example. When this condition is fulfilled by firm in 1 year, and by partners in another year. Discussion. Condition should be fulfilled by either firm, or any 2 partners in last 2 financial years. Applicability of Rule 86B. Applicable. Company, or the managing director, or all the whole-time directors, WTDs, can fulfill this condition. That is, if company pays income tax greater than 1 lakh rupees, then others need not satisfy this condition. If MD pays income tax greater than 1 lakh rupees, then others need not satisfy this condition. If all the WTDs pay income tax greater than 1 lakhs rupees, then others need not satisfy this condition. So, that is all for this topic. We hope you have enjoyed the video. In case you like the video, press on subscribe button and click the bell icon for personalized queries. You may reach out to us at info@bncglobal.in.